What are crystals? A crystal, or crystalline solid, is a solid material where the constituent particles, atoms, molecules, or ions, are arranged in a highly ordered, repeating microscopic structure. This repeating arrangement is called a crystal lattice and extends in all directions. This internal order gives crystals their characteristic external shapes, often with flat, smooth surfaces called facets, which reflect their internal symmetry. Familiar examples include snowflakes, diamonds, and table salt. Sources and secrets of crystal formation. The process of crystal formation is called crystallization. It involves a substance transitioning from a disordered state, like a liquid or gas, into an ordered, solid, crystalline state. This can happen through various natural and artificial processes. Here are the main sources and secrets, key factors, of crystal formation. Sources of crystal formation. 1. Cooling of molten material. This is a primary source for many natural crystals, especially minerals and gemstones. 2. Magma lava. Volcanic activity. As molten rock, magma beneath the Earth's surface or lava on the surface cools, the atoms within it begin to arrange themselves into crystal structures. 3. The rate of cooling significantly impacts crystal size. Slow cooling allows for larger crystals, like in granite, while rapid cooling results in smaller crystals or even amorphous glass, like obsidian. 4. Industrial processes. Many artificial crystals, example, silicon for electronics, are grown from melts. 5. Evaporation of solvents. When a solvent, like water, evaporates from a solution containing dissolved minerals, the dissolved substances become supersaturated and precipitate out, forming crystals. 6. Salt flats. The formation of salt crystals in arid regions where water bodies evaporate. 7. Geodes. Mineral-rich water seeps into rock cavities, and as the water evaporates, crystals grow within the cavity. 8. Laboratory crystal growing. Many home crystal growing kits utilize this principle, example, sugar crystals from sugar water. 9. Deposition from a gas. Sublimation. In some cases, crystals can form directly from a gas phase. 10. Snowflakes. Water vapor in the atmosphere freezes and deposits directly into hexagonal ice crystals. 11. Frost. Water vapor deposits as ice crystals on cold surfaces. 12. Changes in temperature and pressure. These factors can cause existing rocks and minerals to recrystallize into new forms or grow larger crystals. 13. Metamorphic rocks. Under intense heat and pressure deep within the earth, existing minerals can rearrange their atomic structures, leading to the growth of new, larger crystals, example, marble from limestone. 14. Diamond formation. Diamonds, pure carbon crystals, form under immense pressure and high temperatures in the Earth's mantle. Secrets, key factors and processes of crystal formation. 1. Nucleation. This is the critical first step where a tiny, stable cluster of atoms, molecules, or ions forms from the disordered state. This seed crystal acts as a template for further growth. 2. Homogeneous nucleation occurs spontaneously within a uniform medium, often requiring high supersaturation or supercooling. 3. Heterogeneous nucleation, more common, where nucleation occurs on a pre-existing surface, like an impurity particle or a rough surface, which lowers the energy barrier for formation. 4. Crystal growth. Once a nucleus forms, additional particles from the surrounding medium attach to its surfaces, extending the crystal lattice. This growth is often highly organized, leading to the characteristic flat facets. 5. Temperature. Generally, slower cooling or evaporation rates promote larger, more perfect crystals because the particles have more time to find their correct positions in the lattice. Rapid cooling evaporation often leads to smaller, more numerous, or imperfect crystals. 6. Concentration supersaturation. For solutions, a higher concentration of the dissolved substance, supersaturation, drives crystallization. 7. Pressure. For minerals formed deep within the earth, pressure plays a significant role in determining crystal structure and stability. 8. Impurities. The presence of impurities can either inhibit or promote crystal growth, and can also lead to color variations or defects within the crystal. 9. Time. Crystal growth can be a very slow process, taking thousands to millions of years in nature to form large, well-defined crystals. Crystal systems and lattice structure. The secret to the vast array of crystal shapes lies in the crystal lattice, the fundamental repeating arrangement of atoms. Crystals are classified into 7 crystal systems: cubic, hexagonal, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, trigonal, based on the symmetry of their internal lattice. This internal arrangement dictates the external shape. Intermediate states. Recent research has revealed that crystal growth can be a more complex, multi-step process. Instead of direct incorporation, molecules may pass through an intermediate, unstable state before being fully integrated into the crystal lattice. The stability of this intermediate state can significantly influence the speed and detailed shape of crystal growth. In essence, crystals are marvels of atomic self-assembly, driven by the fundamental tendency of atoms and molecules to achieve a state of lowest energy by forming highly ordered, repeating structures under the right conditions of concentration, temperature, pressure, and time. For more important useful information from other videos, like, share, subscribe this channel.